Griffin, you want to show me what you're supposed to do with a spoon? No, not shake it. You put it in your mouth. Well, not on that side. There you go. Hooray for spoon! Yay! Where does the spoon go? Does the spoon go in your mouth? Which end of the spoon goes in? Well, that's good. You're getting close. Okay, I think we're done. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.